Hi again, third grade, and welcome back to your green grammar book. We are still on week 1, but we're moving ahead to Wednesday. So here we go. Number 1 says, circle the correct adjective. Identify if the adjective is comparative or superlative. Okay, so you may not know right now or remember what comparative or superlative means. So here is my little quick explanation. If I wanted to compare, see that word compare in comparative, if I was going to compare myself to one other person, I would say I am taller than my niece. Okay, so you could hear that comparatives use the ending er, taller. But if I were to use the superlative, see the word super and superlative? That's like saying I am the most super tall person ever. So I would say I am the tallest person in my family, even though that is nowhere near true. But superlatives end with that est ending. Let's see what makes sense in this sentence. It says Dwayne is the faster runner on the team, or Dwayne is the fastest runner on the team. Well, it would make sense if it said Dwayne is faster than his friend and you were comparing it to one person. But because it says team, that's more than one person, that's a group. So the best answer there is Dwayne is the fastest runner on the team. And again, because it has that est ending, fastest is a superlative. Okay, number 2 is wants you to place commas and or quotation marks in the correct places in the sentence. The little boy said, I live in San Diego, California. Since it's using that word said, that means that the boy is speaking. He's using dialogue. So when we punctuate dialogue, we always put a comma after said, and then we put quotation marks around what he's actually saying. The boy's speaking and saying, I live in San Diego, California. So we put a pair of quotation marks around those words. And this sentence is also missing another comma. I'm not sure if you caught it, but anytime you have a city followed by the state name, that needs to be separated by a comma. So we all live in Greensburg, Pennsylvania, and this boy lives in San Diego, California. Number 3 says, use a coordinating conjunction to combine the two sentences. So here they have some examples for you of coordinating conjunctions, and they want you to pick one and use it. I can go to the skate park today. I can go to the beach tomorrow. It wouldn't make sense to say, I can go to the skate park today, for I can go to the beach tomorrow. But listen to this next one, and. I can go to the skate park today, and I can go to the beach tomorrow. It makes sense. So what you would need to do is choose and write, I can go to the skate park today, comma, and I can go to the beach tomorrow, period. Okay, so you want to use that comma before the coordinating conjunction there. Number 4 says, rewrite the title with correct capitalization. Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. In a title, you need to make sure all of the important words are capitalized. Alice should always be capitalized. It's her name. Adventures is an important word, and Wonderland is an important word. Notice in is not capitalized because it's just not that important in the title. Finally, number 5 says, rewrite the phrase using the possessive form. The leash of the dog. That's saying that this leash belongs to the dog. So another way to write that, the more common way to write it, is the dog's leash. Now, in order to show ownership and that the dog possesses the leash, you need to use apostrophe S for dogs. Okay, so the dog's leash is the possessive way of saying the leash of the dog. And there you have Wednesday's answers. We only have one more day this week, so tune back in tomorrow to see how you do on Thursday. Have a great day.